Jambo, hello, welcome to my channel. This is Naomi, and today we are going to learn how to use whether or not in Kiswahili. Whether or not in Kiswahili. So I hope you're ready and just sit back and let's learn. So we can use a word like Soma. Soma in English is read. So for the first part of whether, you will say ukisoma. Ukisoma. Then the part of or not will be usisome. So whether you read or not will be ukisoma, usisome. Ukisoma, usisome. So for example, a sentence like whether you read or not, you will pass. Whether you read or not, you will pass. It will be ukisoma, usisome, utapita. Ukisoma, usisome, utapita. Whether you read or not, you will pass. Then we can also say mkisoma, msisome, mtapita. Mkisoma, msisome, mtapita. That will be plural of you. So ukisoma, usisome, utapita. Mkisoma, msisome, mtapita. We can also say tukisoma, tusisome, tutapita. Tukisoma, tusisome, tutapita. That will mean whether we read or not, we will pass. We can also say wakisoma, wasisome, watapita. Wakisoma, wasisome, watapita. Whether they read or not, they will pass. Whether they read or not, they will pass. So the second example, we can use the word penda. Penda. Penda means like or love. So when you want to say whether you like it or not, we will say ukipenda, usipende. So maybe let's make a sentence. Whether you like it or not, you will go to school. Whether you like it or not, you will go to school. So it will be ukipenda, usipende, utaenda shuleni. Ukipenda, usipende, utaenda shuleni. Mkipenda, msipende, mtaenda shuleni. Mkipenda, msipende, mtaenda shuleni. Whether you like it or not, you will go to school. Whether you like it or not, you will go to school. Mkipenda, msipende, mtaenda shuleni. That will be the plural you. Mkipenda, msipende, mtaenda shuleni. Tukipenda, tusipende, tutaenda shuleni. Tukipenda, tusipende, tutaenda shuleni. Whether we like it or not, we will go to school. Whether we like it or not, we will go to school. Wakipenda, wasipende, wataenda shuleni. Wakipenda, wasipende, wataenda shuleni. Whether they like it or not, they will go to school. Whether they like it or not, they will go to school. So we can also choose another word like jaribu. Jaribu. Jaribu is try in English. Jaribu. So we will say whether you try or not, or whether he tries or not. So we can say in Kiswahili, ukijaribu, usijaribu, ukijaribu, usijaribu, whether you try or not, or akijaribu, asijaribu, akijaribu, asijaribu. So we can pick a sentence like, whether you try or not, it's your problem. Whether you try or not, it's your problem. Ukijaribu, usijaribu, ni shida yako. Ukijaribu, usijaribu, ni shida yako. Akijaribu, asijaribu, ni shida yake. Akijaribu, asijaribu, ni shida yake. Tukijaribu, tusijaribu, ni shida yetu. Tukijaribu, tusijaribu, ni shida yetu. Wakijaribu, wasijaribu, ni shida yao. wakijaribu, wasijaribu ni shida yao. We can use another example with the word Enda. Enda. Enda means go. Go. Enda. So whether you go or not, or whether they go or not, we will say ukienda, usiende, ukienda, usiende, akienda, asiende. So we can make a sentence like whether you go or not, it's okay. Whether you go or not, it's okay. So it will be ukienda, usiende, ni sawa. Ukienda, usiende, ni sawa. Akienda, asiende, ni sawa. Akienda, asiende, ni sawa. Mkienda, msiende, ni sawa. Mkienda, msiende, ni sawa. Mkienda, msiende, ni sawa. Tukienda, tusiende, ni sawa. Tukienda, tusiende, ni sawa. Then, our last example will be the word pay, which is Lipa. Lipa. So, we can say whether you pay or not. Whether you pay or not. So, it will be ukilipa, usilipe. Ukilipa, usilipe. So, we can make a sentence like whether you pay or not, it's your decision. Whether you pay or not, it's your decision. So it will be in Kiswahili, ukilipa, usilipe, ni uamuzi wako. Ukilipa, usilipe, ni uamuzi wako. Akilipa, asilipe, ni uamuzi wake. Akilipa, asilipe, ni uamuzi wake. Tukilipa, tusilipe, ni uamuzi wetu. Tukilipa, tusilipe, ni uamuzi wetu. Wakilipa, wasilipe, ni uamuzi wao. Wakilipa, wasilipe, ni uamuzi wao. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. And if you have a question, kindly don't shy away. Just ask at the comment section. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again next time. So keep using Kiswahili, keep learning Kiswahili, and see you next time. Kwaheri. Bye bye. See you.